Good morning. Let's make an easy breakfast this morning, okay? Hi guys, Becki-licious here, and I found this easy cheese Danish recipe that I wanted to make for breakfast today. So let's get started on it. So this is supposed to be super easy to do, which is why I wanted to do it. I've never done it before, so I figured once again another fun experiment with you guys. We seem to have fun with those, don't we? So, we're going to start with some crescent rolls, and this is what started this whole thing because I happen to have crescent rolls in my refrigerator. So, while I'm getting this open, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and of course, click on that link tree for other fun stuff too. So, all right, so let's get this opened and started. I'm not real certain how big this is going to be. This is why I don't know if I'm going to use one or two, but we shall find out, won't we? So, all right, so let me get this all rolled out, and then we will figure out where we're at, folks. All right, let's get this over here in our pan real quick, and we're going to get it all folded out and ready before we start on our next step. And I'm just using a smaller cookie sheet. Not going to make a whole bunch of this, obviously, so, but that's okay. All right, so this is all ready for us, and then we can come to our next step. We have a block of cream cheese, and we've got 1 egg we're going to get put in here, and then we are going to put in half of a cup of sugar. Oh, oven's all preheated, 350 degrees, of course. That seems to be the norm. So we've got our sugar, and then we're going to put in teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're going to get this all whipped up until it's all nice and smooth, all right? So I'll be back in just a jiff. So this is all whipped up. Looking good, looking good. All right, now comes the fun part. Whoops, I'm going to lose my beating stick. All right, so now we are going to very carefully, hopefully, spread this all along the dough, okay? So get back to me in about 1 minute. All right, we've got this yummy, cheesy, cream cheesy yumminess all spread around on this crescent dough. So we're gonna open up the second one, and then we're gonna put this all along the top and try to, that works, baby. And then we'll pinch the seams and try to get it all in there so when we bake it, that yummy cream cheese doesn't want to come out the top or the sides, okay? All right, now we're going to take this second one, and we got to get this all pinched around so that, like I said, it's all kind of sealed in, okay? So I'll see you back here in a second. Okay, last but not least, we've got a little bit of an egg wash we're going to put along the top of this to help it get all nice and golden brown. Make it all yummy. And then it'll be time to go in the oven. All right, so this is going to go in a 350-degree oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. So we'll set it for 35, and then we'll check it, see how it turns out. All right, this cream cheese Danish has been in the oven for just about 30 minutes. So we're going to pull it out because it looks, oh my God, it looks to die for. Oh my Lord. Ooh, doesn't that look delicious? Yummy. All right, so we're going to set this Danish down, and we're going to let it cool for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to head over, and we are going to make the glaze that goes on top, okay? All right, so we're going to make this glaze. We're just going to do some powdered sugar and a little bit of milk and a little bit of vanilla. And we're just going to whip it all up till it's all nice and smooth. And then once this Danish has cooled down, we will put the yummy glaze on top of it. So I think this is going to be fun. So far, I've got high hopes because it looks yummy. Because I love it when a plan comes together. Okay. All right, so we're going to whip this up till it's all nice and smooth, all right? All right, so our glaze is all done, and our Danish has cooled. So we are going to come over here and we are going to get our yummy glaze put all over this Danish. All right, so we're just basically gonna pour this all over it, and then we will just get it all smoothed out. Even Chloe agrees this smells yum. Yummy, yummy. There we go. So we're just gonna smooth this all around, and then we will get out a plate, because guess what? It's time to try this. All right, the glaze has set a little bit. It's time to cut a piece of this cheese Danish. Goodness gracious. Even Chloe's been sniffing around because she says it smells yummy. So we're just gonna cut up just a couple of pieces, obviously, to start out with. So let me get one of these out, because I can't wait to try it. Oh yeah, here we go. Perfection. All right, time to try our cream cheese Danish. I've been anxious for this one. I love a good cheese Danish, for sure. Look at that. I can't. It's amazing. It's really, really, really good. This would be amazing. I think next time I would probably put maybe some cherry pie filling in with the cream cheese. That would be good too. So yeah, so there you go. We had another fun adventure. We had no idea how this one was going to turn out, and we got lucky and it turned out absolutely amazing. I'll definitely be making this again and again. So there you go. Thanks for the fun time, guys. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. I know I did. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.